How to add transitions to Instagram Reels. So let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon available in the bottom in the middle of the icons. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to post or a camera icon. Now, once you are in the camera icon, record any object or anything you want to create transitions with another element. So I'm recording my keyboard for a while. Now record another video. So this is just an example for transition. So I'm just choosing a wall and a keyboard. So after I record it, simply tap on the next option available there. After you tap on the next, you will tap on the edit video option in the bottom. Now once you tap on the edit video, all you have to do is tap on the middle of the both videos, the plus icon. So
So
here
here
you
you
see the transition effects in the Instagram. Choose any according to your preferences. So here I'm choosing just for an example. Now you can see after I play the video, the transition has implemented successfully. Now look the video. So you can see the transition has been there. Now all you have to do is tap on the blue icon available in the top right corner and edit the caption, write any caption, and tap on the post option available in the bottom, and your relay is ready to go. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.